Hey everybody, welcome back to Little Lammy Kitchen. If you're here for the first time, hit that subscribe button and the notification bell for amazing videos like this one. Today we are making witch finger cookies. Let's get started.
To make these horrifying and delicious witch finger cookies, first we need to beat the butter using a beater until it's pale and fluffy. So I'll add the butter to the mixing bowl and then I will use the beater and beat it until it's pale and it's changed color and it's very fluffy. We will also spray down the sides so that there are no lumps. And also, while you're beating it, the butter should be at room temperature. And you start beating it again. In total, I have beaten the butter for 5 minutes. Now it's time to add the powdered sugar. And also add the powdered sugar gradually, otherwise it will create huge lumps. And start beating it again. Now we will add last of the powdered sugar and beat it again. In total, again I will beat it for 5 minutes, just like I did with the butter. So the butter and sugar have combined really well and the butter has changed its color. It is also very light and fluffy. That will make our cookies also very fluffy. Now we will add a teaspoon of vanilla essence, or you can also add extract. This is optional. And now I won't use a beater. Instead I'll just take a spatula and mix it together. Now I will add the dry ingredients. So first add the flour all together and then the baking powder. And we are using the beater again. We're gonna beat it well. Just be careful because the flour will fly off. So just be very careful. Now we will add some milk to make the dough smooth and beat it. Later we will just use it with our hands. Now we just start kneading with our hands and you can see the dough starts to come together. The cookie dough is actually like a pie crust. It's crumbly, but then you add the milk and it starts getting into a dough-like texture. Again we will add some milk to the dough to make it smooth again. So it starts coming together really well. As the dough starts coming together, it is hard for me to knead the dough in the bowl, so I'll just transfer it to a wooden slab.
So I have kneaded the dough. Now we have to shape it into a circle and put it in the same bowl. Then we will cover it with cling wrap and chill it for 30 minutes. Now I will just put it in the refrigerator.
So the dough has been chilled for 30 minutes. Now we will remove the cling wrap and roll out the dough. Also divide it into equal portions. Now just divide it and just form a ball with each.
So here comes the fun part of shaping the witch finger cookies. So we'll take one of the dough balls. Just keep rolling until it's nice and thin. I'm also using these almonds for the nails. So after rolling it out in a cylindrical shape, now we'll just press using an index finger, just press gently to make a small depression, and there we will add an almond. Now we will use a knife and make some lines like there on the finger, and again a small depression and then just lines in the end. Then put it onto a plate that is dusted with flour. Whoa, it's already starting to look like a finger. Similarly I'll do for all of the cookies. Meanwhile, preheat your oven at 180 degrees for just 10 minutes. So the witch finger cookies are ready and it's already been 10 minutes. So I'll put these in the oven, but this time at 160 degrees for 30 minutes. So the witch finger cookies are out of the oven and I've let them cool for 10 minutes. Now I'll just remove all the almonds off of the cookies and they come off very easily. And now I will just put some blood. Oops! I mean some strawberry jam. So I'll just fill in place of the nail. And then I'll just put the almonds on top. So it looks like actually blood is dripping off. And not only there, but on top also like this, I'll just put it for all other wish finger cookies. It will look so delicious and horrifying. It's just around the edges of the nails, like you can see the almonds, and also in the small depressions that we made. And if you want to get a little messy, just use your hand and just just make it messy. And they are done. Thanks for watching. Do try this horrifying recipe, yet do not get horrified by this.